What is up, guys? Today we'll be playing Sonic Speed Sim. Yep. Yes, with Sia. We are playing the new update, Sonic's Snowventure. Okay. Sure, we'll get him, and I'm just gonna switch my skin. I did unlock last week's skin, which is like last update skin, which is where is it? Nine tails and Santa Sonic. I'll just be Nine Tails for now. I'll just be Nine Tails. Yep. So this is a regular normal scavenger hunt. This is a regular normal scavenger hunt. Okay, there we go. Hello there. I'm looking for my stickers that I lost while snowboarding over these great snow slopes. Have you seen any of them? Any help would be appreciated. Okay, we need to collect 125,000.
Okay, what's mom?
We get a trail, snowboard show. We got a snow hoverboard, and we got Winter Sonic. This looks really cool. I want to get it. But there's no. So I heard there's like a new Easter egg in Snow Valley, and I'm not really sure where they are. Oh, I guess these are the stickers. Okay.
What happens? They have
Alright.
pirate tails.
Alright, let's just go to Snow Valley because there's like apparently a new Easter egg. And it's in the igloo where Snow Valley. Apparently you can get a new tornado. So let's just go here. And where's the igloo? Yeah, Hilltop's still not here. I don't know why. Okay, here's the igloo. And probably there's like an Easter egg.
No, it's nothing. It's just shiny.
What? Oh. Yeah. Oh, you have to jump on it. Alright. Okay, we got the Christmas tornado.
I know how.
So, I guess I already have every tornado except for the golden tornado because I got the normal tornado. I got the Christmas tornado. And didn't I already have the Halloween tornado? Oh wait, no. I forgot. That Sia's the one that has the Halloween tornado. I missed it in last week's update. Very sad. I wanted the spooky tornado. Like I wanted that chance. But alright, let's just get these cards. Alright. Let's go back to Green Hill. So this update, you can like zone hop from like maybe you can go to Green Hill and then Lost Valley and then Emerald Hill. So you can do that. You can do that. Okay, I'm just gonna turn off my graphics because it's pretty laggy.
I want to get the Christmas tornado. I didn't know where. I saw that.
Here. Okay, I'm just helping Sia.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, so I'll just get these stickers and good thing it's at 250,000.
Yay!
Actually, let's check out the Christmas tornado. I want to see how that is. Alright. Hey, this actually looks really cool.
What? I just ducked it with a knot. What? What just happened? I ducked it with a knot.
Wait, Casey?
A knot. I didn't. What? What just happened? I did
Wait, no, go. Okay, so see, I got the tornado, the Christmas tornado. Yeah. No, wait, Christmas is over. Christmas is over. It's for 2023. Alright. Actually, the tornado is really cool, actually. The Christmas tornado is actually pretty cool.
No, that's not me.
Alright, I'm just carefully. This is just a regular, normal scavenger hunt, which I hate. Yeah. I wonder when Psych Speedsim's gonna do a good update. Like, I want. Okay, the prizes are cool. It's just that there's nothing. All you have to do is that. But overall, I am getting them fast. Like, I already have 5,000. Okay. Come on, drop dash. Alright, so let's get these. Actually, bro, I want like for them to add like more. Maybe you can have like the boxes again. Like, why don't you have the boxes? Like, maybe you can have boxes of like the character cards. Well, yeah, but the scavenger hunts I actually like. One of the only scavenger right here. One of the only scavenger hunts I actually liked was the Boo Bash event, where you have to like where you have to like kill the ghost. Like, that was really fun. Like, the tornado was OP in that update. Very OP. And okay, maybe we should go to Lost Valley to get some more. I did play some in the testing server. So, alright. Can you collect? Alright, you can collect the cards in Lost Valley. Alright. Also, why don't I have the chow? Like, I just noticed that. Why don't I have the chow? Alright. Let's equip that so I can get extra. Alright. I have magnet. I have a magnet chow, so it could help. Is my speed? Oh yeah, my speed is turned down.
Yeah.
Let's get my real speed on.
I want to be.
Alright.
I want to be 9 tails.
Okay, then go. You
No.
be 9 tails.
No, you're not 9 tails.
Okay, fine. I'll just be regular, normal, classic size.
No, be model.
No, what?
No, model.
Alright, we're gonna be classic Sonic because it's my favorite skin. Alright, she is acting like a cat. Alright, let's go to Emerald Hill. Let's go to Emerald Hill so we can do more of this zone hop. Alright, we got 10,000. Not a bad start. This isn't really like a grinding video. I'm just like reviewing the update. But yeah, this update is pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Alright, we got that. Alright. Time to get these. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Alright.
This is Joey to me.
Alright, let's go. And there's no more. That means we can go back to Green Hill.
Yes, it's me.
Okay. No, I don't want to go to Lost Valley. I want to go Green Hill.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, now where is Sia? Alright. Still loading? Alright, there you go. Where's Sia? What the heck? Are you dancing with this girl?
Yeah, and then she have the same.
Sure, sure.
Yes, that is my best
Okay,
friend.
sure.
Tuesday. 3 points, yeah?
Okay, sure. Alright, just grind some more. Let's grind. Alright, let's do this. We are Sonic the Hedgehog. Honestly, I lost my love for Sonic Speed Sim. Like, I really think Sonic Speed Sim's a bit boring now because of the updates. Like, there's nothing to do in the game. Like, Metal Madness is still fun. At the beginning, Metal Madness was fun in the beginning. But now it's like, boring. Best update, but one of the most boring updates today. Like, it's not my favorite update anymore. Alright, there you go. Honestly, I prefer the Tornado update than the Metal Madness update. You guys are probably gonna, like, tell me in the comment section that my opinion is wrong, but I mean it. The Tornado update is actually better than the Metal Madness update. And I'm not lying. It was fun at first, but now it's like, eh. So, alright. Enough trash talking, Liam. Just grind. Okay, we're almost 25k. Okay. Enough. Almost 25k.
Who wants to join me? Who wants to join me?
Alright, we got this trail. Okay, we got the snowflake trail.
No, with me.
Okay, fine.
I am in the topping the snow. Topping in the
Okay,
snow.
alright. Okay, there you go. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. So, let's go. Classic Sonic, stop with the loop-de-loops. I know loop-de-loops are fun, but we're not loop-de-looping today. Yeah, the event chows really make a difference in this update. Imagine if like it's like 1,000 per card. Then I can get this in like 10 minutes. Okay, we got 30,000. Not honestly, we're doing good. This update's actually pretty fast. It's not. It won't take you hours. I'm pretty sure this update will take you only like 1 or 2 hours. But if you're like really good at the game and you have all tier 5 event chows, probably it will only take you 30 minutes. Alright. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna end this video here, so subscribe, hit that bell icon, and yeah, we'll start out.